All right, today's math review, we're going to do a little bit differently today to see if this helps. There's been a lot of mistakes the last couple days on the difference between the base height and the shape height. And so I thought, you know what, let's give it a different look. All right, so today you guys are going to be typing your answers in Google Slides. All right, and I have everything here that you need. I think one thing we should do this time is notate this separately. All right, so the h of the shape is going to be the height of the shape. And I thought a good way to connect to what the capital H would be to look at this right here. All right, so we have a ladder, and you see how the ladder looks like kind of a capital H in a sense. And so each of your shapes now in your next four is going to have this. What I'd like you guys to do is to position it on what that would be. All right, so in this case, the height of your shape is going to be the four. All right, so you see how that's going up and down. That is your base going from the bottom to the top, and that's how you get to third dimensions. All right, so I want you guys to notate that, all right away. So I know that the height of my shape is 4. All right, and now I'm going to use that in my surface area down below, and I'm going to use it in my volume problem. All right, my volume formula. All right, so I find the area of the base for the volume, which are my 2 dimensions here. All right, and then I times it by the height. It's taking that area from the bottom, the two sides, and it's going up with it, up the ladder. All right, so perimeter, make sure that you're typing the sides. I've had a lot of you guys, and I understand why you would do it, but you've been using a rectangle for the perimeter just because it's easier, right, to add the opposite sides. But the whole idea here is when you have an irregular shape such as a triangle or trapezoid, you need to use that shape as the base, and then the other side is the h, the height of the shape. So here we go. All right, so I'm going to take now, and I'm going to drag it down. All right, and this is going to be the height of my shape now. So you see how it matches this side right there. That is the height of my shape. All right, I'm not sure why it's clicking off on everything there, but that's right away. All right, so that goes with this. Another way to look at it is the height of my shape is not connected to the base. All right, so the base height is right here. The height of my shape is not on the base, it's coming off the base. Right, so the little h is right here. My capital H is the height of my shape. It's separate from my base. Let's take a look here at our trapezoid. Okay, so here are the sides. I labeled them here so there's no confusion. All right, take a look at the 6. That's the height of my base, which is a trapezoid. Now take a look at right here. It's on its side. All right, so that is the height of my shape now, right there. So it's going from the base edge going upward. If this was tilted, the trapezoid would be on its face on the ground, and then it would be going 10 high. So that is your capital H, which you're used for in the volume and is used in the surface area. And then lastly, the last one is very similar to the second one. All right, so let's take a look again. What's the height of my shape? It's not on the base. It is how high, how many floors high the base would be if it was standing up. And so that would go here. So the height of my shape, that capital H, is 40. So make sure you're using that in the volume formula and in the perimeter formula. All right, and then this other little height here, this height of 6 is only used for the triangle formula, which is for the area of the base. All right, which you'll use again in surface area. But don't confuse the little h with the big H. All right, hopefully this helps. If not, let me know and we can try something else.